Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Sunday afternoon, it's about 12:53 and we just got a warning on our phone that there's a tornado heading our way, and only in the last 5 or 10 minutes did we notice that the winds seem to be picking up, and we're hearing thunder, and it's starting to pour rain. You can really feel the winds picking up here. You can see it coming through. We're going to back off here. We're going inside. This is definitely not good. This is not good. This is a terrible storm, and it just came in a matter of minutes. You know, the warning that we received was only about 10 minutes ago. It wasn't really much of a warning. Well, we're going to see how well the INSTA 360 camera is going to film here. We don't have the 360 lens on here. We have the 4K mod on here. So we're going to see how well she films all of this. Kind of feels like it's subsiding a little bit. This definitely caught everybody by surprise. It came very, very quickly. And it was very humid out, very humid. And you can feel the air has cooled down quite a bit. Wow. Hopefully our power is going to stay on. Pretty scary stuff. Well, I think that heavy wind has passed through here. So no doubt those winds were probably traveling at least 100 kilometers an hour. But she's still a lot of rainfall coming down. A lot of thunder, a lot of lightning. Is it safe to come outside? Well, guys, that was pretty wild. That was some storm. Like I said, we only had about a 10-minute warning, and she just came flying through here. Those winds had to be at least 100 kilometers an hour, and it looks like it's subsiding a little bit right now. We still have a bit of wind and still a little bit of rain, but anyways, as soon as we heard about it, right away we grabbed our camera and thought we'd try and get some footage. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that little storm and a weather broadcast from Jim's Droning. All right, have a great Sunday. I hope we do, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights.